What is up, my fam? I'm back with another update video for my stocks today on Cash App, you guys. And I know I updated earlier on how the stock market was going. But before we get into this video, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and tap that bell next to it. And don't forget, please don't forget to download the Robinhood app that's in the description so you can get your free stock. And I'll show y'all that later on in this video. So make sure you watch the whole video. Don't skip. Now let's get into this stock. Well, y'all. $914.19. And I'm down $58.43. So there was a 5% drop today. Now, as y'all can see, it says total investments of $860 and my total gain is $54.19. And because my numbers are so low, it's because the stock market has literally dropped today. Like, it dropped dramatically, you guys. So let's get into these stocks. And yeah, if you didn't catch the video before this one, I did sell some stocks. So I'm gonna show y'all that in this video also. And Ontario Resources is at $26.80, which is still good. And let me tell y'all this. I'm no type of financial advisor. I'm not a stock analyst. I'm not no type of rich millionaire or anything like that. I'm just a normal person. I decide to invest in stock. And if you decide to invest in stock, you know you're doing it at a high risk or low risk. It depends on your research. Always research before you invest into any type of stock. Research is key. All right, you guys. Now, Ontario Resources and Ontario Msvariom are at the top. And y'all see my total gains today. Gold is going up. Eldorado Resorts is going up. Carnival, I think that's going up too. Because if I wasn't mistaken, I think it was like down 5 and Penn Gaming. So both of them are the same, actually. Wow. But if you guys see any stocks on here that I've invested in, and if you want to invest in, go ahead and do that. You know, that's your choice. Make that choice. Your numbers are not going to look like mine because I've invested in these stocks in an earlier date. Just keep that in mind. Board gaming, that's up, but it's going down. Even though it's going down, I still had a total gain. So it's actually coming from the total gain other than the total that I invested in. So I actually gained off this before it started to go down. Which, I mean, it seemed like everything in the market today is just down. Like, it ain't no way around it. Everything is just down, pretty much. MGM Resorts is $3. Overstock $2. Norwegian Cruise Line, that's at $2. United States Steel $2. Energy Transfer $1. I mean, Zynga is at $1. But y'all gotta understand, on Zynga, you know, that's like mobile gaming. People, yeah, it was high when the lockdown was strict, but now that they lifting them, it's not really too high. But you still have people that's playing games on their phone, you know. People play games every day. Just think about that. Uber is going down. American Airlines. Man, can it be growth? That went down 4%. I had one stock in that. So, I got 10 more cents left for total gain. Hopefully Monday this stuff just turn around some type of way. But yeah, if y'all see any stock that y'all want to follow, go ahead and do that. Like I say, do your research. And I always think of like this. Your positives must outweigh your negatives. You guys, your positive must outweigh your negatives. Always. Now let's get into the negatives down here. General Electric, negative 41. Glaxo, that's in a negative 85. Ford, negative 86. Plug Power went down 6%. I'm losing. Of course, y'all, I'm losing. When it comes to the negative, now you're losing the money that you've invested in. But the thing is, even though you're losing the amount of money that you've invested in, the share price is going down. Just say, for instance, I had 2. So if I invested $15 into 2 shares, that means those shares was at least, I would say, maybe $7 and some change. So now that it's going down, the share price has went down to $5.64. And if you want to, you can take that advantage of when the stock market go down to always buy in at a lower price, so you can raise your shares. Just so if it goes back up, you can gain even more. If y'all get what I'm saying. So if the stock market is dropping, you can always buy in and get more shares. I'm down $2.82. Like this one, I invested $95 and I got 1 share. Since it's going down, price per share is $89.85. So if I really wanted another share, it would be cheaper than the first share that I bought because the stock market dropping. Yep, that's how that worked. Just in case, 7%. 5 shares of that. Oh, man. Whiting Petroleum now. This right here. This the struggle stock right here, y'all. It was trying to go back up, though. It dropped, but I see it was trying to rise back. So, that's some kind of good news. I ain't lose that much, but I'm losing. Now, let me tell y'all something. If you start losing, stop. And you can't lose. Like, you can't afford to lose your money that you don't put in here. And if you want to sell it, that's all you got to do is click on sell all, and click next. And that's it. That's how you sell the whole entire stock. And if it's during like the time that they're trading, it may take a little bit longer if the stock is dropping. Just because it's dropping at a fast pace, it may take a little longer. Aurora Cannabis. Like I always tell y'all, it seems like this just don't go down below 70 cents. And I've invested $84 in here. Actually, I bought more shares Monday. So hopefully if that do go up, I'll profit a good little bit. Now this went down 14% today. So already negative $27. I invested $76. I'm down negative 27. Now any other time, you guys, I would have been sold this stock right here. But I'm trying to hold on to it. So today I decided to buy another share when it was at $15. Now it's at $14.98. Which, if it go down anymore, I'll say buy another stock. Buy another share, hold on to it. That's just it. And if it go up, you will profit off more. Yeah, your profit will be more. And those are my negatives. Now my followings. Oh yeah. Before I get into the followings, y'all go hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap that bell. So when I do upload more videos, you will be notified. Don't forget to download that Robinhood app too, because you know you can get a free stock. Okay. Zoom went up. Now, these right here, if y'all want to follow any of these, feel free, but do your research. Like I always tell you. Obviously, everything in the market went down. I believe it. Like, it doesn't make sense. Everything in the market went down. I see if it was something going up, but, ain't too much going up today. But I'm going to go over to Robinhood, and I'm going to show y'all what went up. Actually, that's not on Cash App. Moderna did go up a little bit, but it did drop. It went to its lowest right here, and then it tried to raise back up. So I guess that was a good thing. I don't have it, but I bought it and I sold it. Yep. And everything else is going down. Man, and I sold LabCorp today. It was just going down. I sold it today. And then with that, I sold it and I bought, let's see what I did today. I sold it. I bought a share of Whitening Petroleum, one share of that, and Chesapeake, and I sold Take Two. So that's what I did with that money that I cashed out. And the other one is deposited into my account. So, yeah. So I reinvested in some. Not all of it. So that's why you see that. What's that up here? I'm sorry if I'm going too fast, y'all. That's why y'all see that 860 up there. Yep. Okay, now let's go to let's go down here. I know I'm following a lot of stocks, y'all. Most traded monthly. So everything's real down. And y'all look, check this out. Tesla. Elon Musk said today that he believes that Tesla's stock is too high. So look, let's go right here. Overall, it done went up almost 2,900. But today he tweeted that he feel like Tesla stock is too high, and guess what? It dropped dramatically. And it went up a little bit. So when it dropped right here, they started selling. This is my perspective of it. Now I believe people start selling. They start selling. Then I believe that when it got to a reasonable price, people start buying it. Now it's going back up. So it was probably wasn't at its peak, but I can say people have gained a lot off Tesla, you guys. But yeah, it dropped a lot today. And it give other people an opportunity to buy in since it was dropping. That was a good thing. That's why I say if it's dropping, buy it. Liberty Gold, it went up dramatically. Okay, this was one of the stocks that went up. And I'm trying to see that I bought. No, I'll see. I'm going to go on Robinhood, you guys. But it went up dramatically. Everything else is going down. Yep. So we go back here, Liberty Global, it went up 17% today. And if you go down here to show more, it tells you about, what it is and stuff like that. So you can always read that and decide if you want to follow it, buy into it, or, etc. But always do your research. I will still Google it, Now I'm going to take y'all to Robinhood and show y'all this free stock. So make sure y'all download that app that's in the description area and subscribe. Nah, I am down. Now I was up right here. Like 8:05, 8:10 this morning. And it just took a dramatic drop all the way down. That is bad, you guys. Uber facing lawsuit. I'll read about that later. Las Vegas, yeah. Okay, y'all, let's go to my free stock. Free stock. Make sure you download this Robinhood app and get your free stock. The link is in the description below. But, of course, y'all already know the stock market has been taking a dip today. And we're going to go into... Let's go into my free stocks first, y'all. Right here. Plug power. I'm going to prove to y'all like this free. And it went up after hours. 8 cents. See the average cost? 0. 1 share. Went up 8 cents. Sabre. 3 shares. Average cost $0. It was totally free. Yep. And I'm going down to show y'all if they pay dividends / yields or not. That's a percentage you get every quarter. Yep. So that was free. Marathon Petroleum went up 8 cents after hours, which was also free. Average cost 0. Make sure y'all download this Robinhood app so y'all can get y'all free stock. You don't have to pay anything. This went up 8 cents after hours. 1 share it is. Average cost $0. Totally free. Sirius XM. 2 shares. It went down 11 cents today. Equaled out, I guess. After hours didn't really move. So they do pay dividends. And ADT, I got 1 share ADT, 0 cost. They pay dividends too. So those are my free stock from Robinhood app, and y'all can see I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stocks that's free. 9 stocks that's free. Now these are the stocks that I bought today on Robinhood. If you didn't see that video, it's before this one, so you can go view it. Yeah, Cold Diagnostics. Now this went up 18% today, but it went down 7 cents after hour, which was great. And I only have 1 share of this. Chesapeake Technology. And y'all, this is little. I'm talking about 18 cents a share. This is nothing. And this could be the one that just shoot up and you will never even know, because, you got to search. Got to search. 30 shares. 21 cents. And it went down, actually. 2 cents. So now it's 18 cents a share. Or Organics. Yeah, something like that. But 49 cents. It went up, then it went back down. So that's good. And I got 30 shares for 52 cents. 54 cents, I'm sorry. G Group. So it went up overall today. So that's good. I got 34 shares of this at 30 cents a share. 30 cents a share, y'all. You can't beat it. And Denbury, it went down, so now it's at 29 cents. So when I bought it, it was 30 cents. And I bought 101 shares of it. But it went down today. 2 Arbors. So it went down 23 cents, but it went back up 1 cent. And I got 2 shares of that, $4.50 a share, which wasn't bad. So these are all my Robinhood stock. If y'all want me to make these on separate videos, comment below and let me know. And I will be doing my cryptocurrency on another video, so y'all will be seeing that. So be on the lookout for it. I'm probably gonna do those once a week. Yeah. So these are all my Cash App stocks. And as you can see, a lot of them in red, you guys. That means they dropped. And you can, that gold, on the after hours, it went up 7 cents. So it gained $1.28 today. So that's good. Canopy Growth, okay. It went up after hours to $1.79. So that's good. Okay. Gonna look at the rest of them. I don't have this anymore, so I can just take that out of there because I don't have it. Take 2. So it did go up $1. I don't have that anymore. Just take that off. Because I sold that one. Beyond Meat. Let's see. Man, it is complete. It even went down after hours. So yeah. Abbott is still going down after hours. This what we looking at, y'all. See how much it went down after hours. So they still in the negatives. All of them went down 87 cents overall. Uber, so it didn't move after hours. We looked at the gold, Eldorado, so it went up 28 cents after hours. This is what I use this app for on my after hours. So it went up 17 cents after hour. Okay, MGM went up 17 cents. I don't know if that was the one I just seen. Chesapeake, okay, went up 12 cents after hours. But the thing that gets me about Chesapeake is the 52 weeks high. Man, that's amazing. That's why I bought another stock of that. Carnival, it went up 26 cents after hours. That's good. They're trying to go back up. Norwegian Cruise Line went up 28 cents after hours. Overstock, okay, it went up 2 cents after hours. American Airlines, it went up 12 cents after hours. Caesar Entertainment, it didn't go anywhere. Energy Transfer went up 9 cents, so obviously I lost 50 cents today. United States Steel, Still went down, so a total of 20 cents. Zega. Oh, it went up after hours, 7 cents. $0.03 after hour. GE. This been a tough one right here, you guys. Chrono Group. So it went back up 22 cents after hours. So that's good. That is good. That's what we want to see. We want them to go up. Okay, it went up. Then it went down 1 cent after hour. Come on. We want y'all to rise and stay up. So that went up 3 cents after hour. Even though it went down. Plug. Okay, it went up 8 cents. But that's that free stock. But I still have one on Cash App. And Tiro Resource. Okay, it went up 7 cents after hours. Whitening Petroleum. No, I didn't do too much. Went down 2 cents, then flattened itself back out. Aurora. Okay, went down 3, came back up the same amount. So that's good. Okay, you guys, those were all my stocks, my after-hours stocks from Cash App that I use to check on Robinhood. So y'all make sure you guys go ahead and download this app so you can get your free stock. It's that simple. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I drop another video.